Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Katie and this is Rosie and I'm your friendly skincare fanatic. So if you're skincare obsessed like me, then please hit the subscribe button down below. It really does mean the world to have you with me. In today's video, I'm going to be answering my subscribers' questions on my Lux Skin Review video. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So I uploaded a video in November last year talking all about the Lux Skin LED Rejuvenation Wand, and that video has done so well for my channel. And first of all, I just want to say thank you, because it really does mean the world that so many of you have watched that particular video and hopefully subscribed and stayed around for more skincare videos and treatment videos and all things skincare videos. So it really does mean the world, and I just wanted to say thank you very much. So very quickly, because I'll leave that one linked. Now this cost at the time £29. I'm not sponsored by Lux Skin on this video and the last video, so I paid with everything out of my own money, and it was just my review to help people who are thinking about purchasing this device. So the LED wand has 3 treatments. It has these 4 probes that submit a heat and a microcurrent. Now this heat and microcurrent help the serum penetrate deeper into the skin. You have 5 different light settings: red, green, blue, is that yellow? Would you say that's yellow or orange? Orange. Orange and pink. It's kind of like a pink purple. Each of these lights treat different concerns. For example, red is great for anti-aging, blue helps with oily skin and acne, and yellow can brighten the skin. So there's 5 settings. I tend to only use the red light for anti-aging. It just depends on your particular skin concern. That's what the tool does. I'm now going to go and answer the questions that came up quite a lot 3 months ago. Do you use it around your eyes? I don't see why not. I think the metal probes are a little bit too big to actually really get, you know, around your eye. That's only because I use NuFace, and the probes there are really small for the eye attachment. When I use it, I go right up as far as I can around my eye. Yeah, I use it all around here, but I just don't go over my eye socket, whereas with the NuFace you can. That's the first question. Another question I got, what is best for dark circles? So the LED light will help with dark circles, I believe, because it lightens. But actually what you need to do is treat the dark circles. So get an eye cream that contains caffeine, as that restricts the blood vessels and it reduces redness. And also just, you know, general advice, make sure that you're getting, you know, I think, what is it, 6 to 8 hours, and drink lots of water. I just got mine today, used it for the first time, wondered why it was shocking me, and ended up here with a very clear answer. It shouldn't really be shocking you. It should you should feel something. If you start on the lowest setting, you might not feel much at all. But if you start with the full setting on level 5, then that is you're gonna feel it, definitely gonna feel it. And if you haven't got the correct kind of serum, you'll either feel it and it might hurt, or you might not feel nothing at all. So it's really important to get the correct serum. So another question is, have you ever used this over your lips? I'm deciding between the Rejuvenation wand and the LED mask. She haven't decided yet. And I wrote that I haven't used it over my lips. That's just generally because it's not a concern of mine. I use it all around the lip area, but I just don't go around my lip. I just didn't think of using it over them. So I don't see why you can't. I'm just not sure how effective they will be. Yeah, so another question is, I have the mask and I want the wand too, mainly for around my eyes. How are they? And I just replied with, I use it around my crow's feet, but I don't specifically use it to treat my eyes. At the time, I was saving up to get the NuFace eye attachment, which I now have, and so from using those, which are a lot smaller, so you can really get up quite close to your eye, I would much rather use that attachment for my eyes as opposed to the LED wand. But that is just my preference. As I said before, I use it around like my eye socket, this area, and crow's feet, but not all around my eye, definitely not over my eyelids because the probes are too big. So another question is, do you think niacinamide serum from The Ordinary would work? And I replied with absolutely, as long as it's water-based. So if you have any serums that you're using, just check for the first ingredient, and if it says aqua or water, that kind of serum is great to use with this LED wand. Okay, so I've been using mine for 2 months now and I haven't noticed any difference. So again, it is just about consistency. If you're really consistent with this device and with any kind of at-home facial device, then you should see results. So how do you disinfect them? So what I tend to do is I get a cloth and I run the cloth under hot water, I squeeze it out, and then I just wipe the probe area. You can also use a alcohol wipe and give that an extra clean as well. And Lux Skin advised that you should not submerge any of their devices underwater. So I made sure that I put that on the description page of this video because I had lots and lots of questions about this. That was just one of them. So when I use it and reach level 4 or 5, it starts to sting a lot. Is that bad? If it hurts, then you might need to use some more serum. So sometimes you use your serum and it just absorbs into the skin really, really quickly. So you have to just keep applying that serum, which, you know, that can get expensive depending on what kind of serum you're using. But if it is really hurting, then just go back over that area and put some more serum on. Can you use it twice a day? Yeah, you can use it twice a day, so 10 minutes in the morning and 10 minutes at night. And you can also switch between light therapies. So of a night time, you might want to use red for your anti-aging, and then in the daytime you can use your yellow for brightening, or if you have some oiliness, you can use the blue, which caters for oily skin and acne prone skin. So yeah, you can use it twice a day. Don't see why not. How about CeraVe moisturizer? So you can use moisturizer. I've spoken lots about serums, but you can, on Lux Skin website, it says use a serum or a moisturizer as it is water-based. So I've been using mine and I find it sticks to my skin. Serum dries so quickly and I find that I need to keep wetting my face with water so it glides. Am I doing something wrong? So I found this too when I was using the Indeed Labs serum, and basically you have to keep applying that serum. So if it becomes like sticky or dry, then the wand isn't going to be as effective, so you're going to need to use more serum. Putting water on your face I wouldn't really do because yes, it might kind of glide, but one, it's going to dry really quickly, and two, the warmth and the microcurrents are all about getting your product penetrating into the skin, so it's not going to be doing that with water. The only benefit you're going to see from using water would probably be the LED light, but I'm not an expert, so I would just keep applying the serum and making sure that the skin is moist enough with serum. Yeah, aloe vera gel might help and soothing, and that's a good, again, if it's water-based, then don't see nothing wrong with using aloe vera gel. Yeah, and what about hyaluronic acid? Yeah, absolutely. As long as the hyaluronic acid is water-based, you can go ahead and use that. Okay, is this pregnancy safe too? I'm not sure. They don't actually state it on their website whether it's safe to use being pregnant or not. So if you are pregnant and thinking about getting this, I'll just drop Lux Skin a very quick email or get into contact with them on Instagram, because they do get back to you super quick, and just ask that question. So I saw this on Instagram with a woman going over her eyebrow and lifting it. Any feedback on that? So I haven't used it specifically to lift my eyebrows. If you're looking for something particular, like lifting eyebrows or lifting your eyelids, then I would really look into other at-home devices. For example, NuFace. NuFace have the attachment for your eyes, so you can go right under your eyes. You can use it over your eyelid and your eyebrow. and I'm doing it like this because that's the kind of motion you have to draw it up your eye. And so I would really look into different devices before making your decision. Again, because I'm using this for my own kind of concerns, it's going to be different to what the viewers are using it for. So this particular person was looking to lift her eyebrows. I would say just research and find out the best tool for that. So do you think this really works for acne? And I said, I would say so, but I'm not a dermatologist. The blue light is to treat acne and oily skin. Okay, so I think that is it. I hope that has just cleared a few things up for you as well. And if you've been experiencing any of these questions, I hope that the answers have helped. Please let me know in the comments if you have any other questions, maybe that I haven't answered today, and I will do my best to answer them. And if I can't answer them, I will reach out to Lux Skin. So I hope you have enjoyed today's video. I've really enjoyed going through all of the comments because there's like 147 comments. So I'm so grateful for everyone watching, and I'm hoping that that initial video will answer some questions, and then this video will answer any other questions that might pop up once you've started to use the device. So I hope you have enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you on the next Skin Talks with Katie.